My lord, what is it? Um, the special visitor that you requested has arrived. Good. Ah, welcome to the Castle of Ice, evil Nia. So let me guess, you hate the ninja too? Indeed, and I'm hiring you to destroy them for me. With pleasure. Excellent. I will send some of my finest ice samurai along with you. Alright, fellas, head out. Do not fail me, evil Nia. Not to worry, Ice Emperor. All the ninja will suffer before your wrath. Good. Are you sure this is a good idea? Yes. Yes, indeed. Alright, Vex, now go make me my food. Yes, sir. Wait a minute. You don't eat. You're a machine. Oh, yeah. Oh, in that case, go feed my son. Alright.